Hi folks, this is Vicki at patternprincess.com. Tonight I wanted to show you, I'm just working on the scarf itself. How pretty this is. This is I don't know, it's like a really deep blue yarn. And I just love this ribbed look. I'm using a half double crochet. And so you have the same stitch on each side, the same look. So it's nice and reversible. And this has very nice and straight edges. But I'm making a scarf here. And this scarf I think would be really pretty for it's a very gender neutral scarf. It'd be pretty for a man, be nice and pretty for a woman, child, teenager, boy, girl. I think it works. I'm just going to show you actually working on the scarf here. Just a little bit of the stitches so you can just see how I'm working on this. And then I will have, by the time that I post this, I will have the free pattern written on the website, patternprincess.com. And then I will also have a full tutorial starting with the chain stitch and then row 1 and 2. You know, I'll do a couple rows for you to show you right from the beginning. So the little demonstration I'm going to show you in just a minute here is not right from the very beginning, but there will be a pattern tutorial for that. So I just wanted to let you know I'm working with an H size hook. That's H. And then also this yarn is called Loops and Threads, and it's a soft and shiny duet, I think. I'm not even sure how to say that. Brilliant. And the colorway is Blueberry. And there is 311 yards in this. So I'm going to just go until I can't go anymore of the stitches. But it's very easy. You're working in the third loop. So here's my top stitches. There's my normal, and it's kind of hard to see, and that's why I'm not using this yarn as my tutorial. But it's kind of hard to see. There's the top 2 loops that you normally work in. But in the half double crochet, they have a unique little ridge right here in the very front. When you turn it, it becomes in the front. So I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to work right in that little third loop. We call it yarn over, and then I just bring my yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over, go through that third loop, yarn over, bring the hook through, and then go all through all 3 stitches. It's that simple. And it works up very quickly. And this yarn is very soft. It's going to be just really warm and just scrumptious against somebody's neck. I'm going to make this as a holiday gift. And to be honest, I haven't quite narrowed down the recipient. So this is why it's nice. This can be worn by anybody. And if you wanted to, you could join the ends of this together, and it could become an infinity cowl. Those I find are really easy to wear, because then you just loop them around a couple times, throw them over your head, and you are ready to roll. And it's just a pretty fashion statement. I've seen some gals at work years ago wear them all day long at work just because they're cold all the time. Us women sometimes are cold a lot, but you can just see how easy it is to work this pattern. And that is all it is. It's when I turn it, I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to keep working the stitch. So I just wanted to show you how nice and simple this is to work and how beautiful it is. And that's all that there is. But sometimes it's nice to see the pattern worked in the actual yarn when you see the pictures on the website. And this is one of those cases. And right where I'm here, I got to make sure that I do a stitch for the end here, and then that you have to make sure you do that last half double crochet in the top stitch of the first chain 2. Oh, sometimes I have to jam it in there like I'm doing right now. There we go. Go through all the loops, and that way you're going to make sure that you don't drop stitches. And there you go. That row is complete. And then I'll just do my chain 2 and start all over again. And remember, I will have a full tutorial on how to do this ribbed look stitch. And then I'll have all the free patterns on the website, patternprincess.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Take care.